In this video, we'll see 3-letter CVC word. Bat, bat. Cat, cat. At, bat. At, at. At, mat. At, bat. At, rat. For yes, we have to say at, sat. Thanks for watching. In the description, I'll give the other phonic sounds and lip movement. Thanks for watching. In the description, I'll give the... Come on, this is an announcement of AD words. Shall we see? Bad, bad. Dad, dad. Had, had. Had, mad. Had, pad. Sad, sad. Thanks for listening to the announcement. For the other announcements and other vowels and consonants, I am adding in the description. Please check that. Thank you. This is an intro to AM words. Shall we start? See? Da. Jam. Ma'am. Pam. Ram. Sam. Thanks for watching. See the description for more details and more videos if you are interested. Thank you. In this video, we will see CVC and ending words. Ban. Can. Fan. Man. Pan. Ran. Van. Thanks for watching. I will add the other links in the description. You can see them for vowel sounds, consonant sounds and other ending words. Shall we discuss about AP words? App, cap. App, gap. App, lap. App, map. App, nap. App, rap. Thanks for watching. Please check the description for more videos if you are interested. This is discussion about AR ending words. Shall we start? AR is pronounced as R, so it is B-R, bar. AR is R, so it is K-R, car. R, far. J-R, jar. P-R, par. T-R, tar. B-R, bar. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in more videos like this, please see in the description.